Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Wednesday. Welcome to another day at the FibMatrix Live Trade Room. Another fantastic day of trading. Waking up to 3% again, 3.01 again. Tells me a little clue there. Probably our auto shutoff kicked in because whenever our open trades profit reaches 3%, it closes everything out. So by the way, that caps what we can make in a day. Remember our first two trading sessions of the year, this year, which was just a couple weeks ago, we had made 6% and 8%, right? And then I put the shutoff on there. So who knows what today could have been, or yesterday even. I can tell you now that it looks like the trades went a lot further. This pound dollar 5-minute trend from 66, it went all the way up to high of 18, so it went 52 pips, and we took 27 of them. So it looks like another 26 pips it went before finally pulling back. So we probably could have got some better pips on that, who knows. But either way, we're not going to be greedy. We're definitely happy with 3%. Remember, 2% is our target. So if we get 3%, that's pretty sweet. But if we hit 3% like every single day, I mean, we could just be happy with that. We could actually pull up a calculator and see what kind of growth that would be. But if we start getting too easy, then we can always bump our auto shutoff level to say 3.5 or 4%. Right, and see how it performs at those levels. Why not take an extra 0.5% per day? Because that's all compounding. That's going to compound. You know, right now it's been an easy 2021. We haven't had to do much. I've taken 1 or 2 manual trades at the beginning on the day 1 and day 2, and that's it. I have not had to take a manual trade since. And I got to tell you, it feels great. I mean, I love trading. It's fun watching the market, this and that, but what's more fun is watching it grow on its own without me even have to stress out at all. So I do like that. I know for those wanting to learn the skill of trading, you know, it's all laid out in front of you. You're watching it happen, so you are learning even by watching it. It's not just some random bot taking trades and you have no understanding of why it's taking the trades. You're actually seeing it all play out on the charts and the grids. You're learning what reversals are. You're learning what trend trades are. It's all good stuff. All right, let's check out the trades overnight. Let's see, where did we start? Here was what we started with. Remember yesterday, we had 12.045. We were up 20.46%. So 3% on the day was 3.5% compared to our original balance. So as we start growing our account, our 3% or 2%, whatever we grow for the day, is going to be worth a lot more. Think about it. If we get to a double point, which at the pace we're going may only be another couple weeks, then our 2% days will be worth 4% on our original investment. So it starts growing exponentially. Once you start getting up there, it's just the beginning. You really got to get the snowball going. Once you get the snowball going, it grows quickly. So this is our opening balance today. The target balance for our 2% is 12,286, but our target auto close, which we set at 3%, was 12,407.07. And if we look at our trade, look, 12,407.74. So instead of 07, we made an extra 70 cents or so. So we're up 3.01% now. All right, so that math makes sense. These are the trades overnight. So Euro Yen was the winner yesterday. Today, it looks like cable was the one that really did all the work, with Euro Yen providing a little extra support on the 15-minute reversal. So 2 loser breakout 2s, then 2 winner breakout 2s on cable. Then you can see these winners are bigger than the losers, so already we're doing better there. And then 2 very nice trades, a 5-minute trend where we got 27 pips on, and then we also had a 15-minute reversal where we got 17 pips on. Okay, so let's look at what happened. Our first trades were, it looks like, let's take a look. Our first trade was a breakout 2 on pound dollar, actually. Breakout 2, the swing stop was 8 pips away, so it was risking 8 on the cable. You can see it was looking for a 16 pip target, and it got pretty much the whole thing. 15.6, 15.8 on the breakout long 2, 5 and 15-minute legs. Remember, I disabled the 1-minute legs on the breakout 2, so it got its target there, exited. What else? What happened next? So euro dollar then had a swing stop of 10, looking for 20. You can see the euro dollar lost, so minus 10 point a little bit. So that the euro dollar did lose. And then what was next? The 5-minute trend on cable, which we can see right here, the 5-minute trend only had a 15 pip stop, so that was a nice one. And it was looking for 2-to-1. Dynamic stop set at 36.51, and I'm pretty sure it's using a swing stop, so it was right around 51. You know, I think that was the stop right there. What was the low on this candle? 52 was the low on that candle. So yeah, so it was 1 pip below. So that was the stop that was placed, and probably that was the entry right there, because it's 15 pips. I'm guessing that was the dynamic and entry right there. It's pretty plain and obvious. That looks like it. And it started off good. Never hit the stop. That was the stop loss. It looks like a good place, right? One time here it tested it, right? But the VTA puts the stop exactly where it needs to be. And then we got the nice move there. Look at that. Hit the B2. And then, boom. Really gave another entry, but it did pretty good. We got 27 on that one. So it weighted the size dynamically to a 0.77, which made that 15 pips equal 1%. So because we got 27, so we made almost 2% on that. We know that basically the auto close shut these all off, so they didn't get to make their full pips what they would have made in this case. But that's fine. I'm happy with 3%. Nothing to be upset about. Then Euro Yen also jumped in with a 15-minute reversal. Euro Yen. So 15-minute reversal. Okay, oh, that was a nice one. Okay, so that entered at 126.06. Boom. Yeah, it had a reward per risk 3.6 to 1 for the Euro Yen reversal here. It was risking 15.8 pips, targeting 57.5 pips. That was this one here. Entered at 06, and then the swing stop for the short was set at 22. And you can see here is 126.22. So the high on this, actually I like this one better. So the high here, 20.6 was the high. So it set this swing stop at 22. So a pip plus the spread, and you can see it was good, right? Because we entered, here was the collapse. The dynamic had to be around here somewhere, because it was what, 126.06. Nice entry. Somewhere around here. 06 on this candle was the low. What was the low on this candle? 07. 07.5. So this was the entry right here. Boom. Nice entry. Bam. And it went a lot further. We only took 17 pips because the auto shutoff kicked in. So that means it got out at 90. Yeah, it got out at 90.89. Look at this thing. It's down at 61 now. So it's up almost 50 pips right now from the entry. And would still be in because it's looking for a B2, which is down here. So this could still be working for you if you did not have the auto close. We definitely a 4% or 5% auto close would have been good for today, but we used the 3%. You know, maybe it's got a lot better potential than we're giving it credit for. Who knows? But for now, it's fine. That was this one here. So that was the Euro Yen trade. And what else? Pound Yen almost got into something. Let's take a look. Let me put Euro Yen back. So what did we miss on Pound Yen here? Dynamic stop 25.1. 5-minute trend long. So off because we had the filter set at 25. Oh man. So 0.1 pips. We just missed this trade here. That would have been a trade. Pound Yen 5-minute trend, is it? Let's look at the 5-minute chart. Here it is. So where was it? At 141.81. Are you serious right now? That's where it's at now. And that was back here. That's here. Wow. That would also went up 50 pips. So that was a trade. That would have been an entry right there. Unbelievable. And that thing just went straight up to the moon, about 50, 60 pips. 81 to 26, so 40 pips. So definitely would have had some pips there. But either way, the auto shutoff would have only let us get 3% on the day. So today would have been a monster day had it not been for the auto shutoff. But as, again, no need to be upset about it. 3% is nothing to be upset about. But really good. We missed a nice Pound Yen 5-minute trend trade there as well. And then, boom, we hit the auto shutoff level. So it just closed everything out. We got our growth target. And that's it. Boring day after that. This is the fun part. Boom. Remember, this is when I actually was taking manual trades. This is when I stopped taking manual trades. Boom. There we go. So looking pretty good so far. And we've got no open trades. That's the beauty of it, right? It's not like a lot of times people get this awesome return, but they have all these open trades, like this one negative one they can never close, right? That's not what the VTA does. It will take the loss. If it's not working out, it takes the loss. So currently, we're doing good. 41 short trades, which is 65%. Long positions, we've won 68, which is 61%. Profit trades total, 69. Loss trades, 40. So that tells you right there we're hitting 63% of our trades. Average profit trade, 86 bucks. Average loss trade, 88 bucks. So they're about the same, it looks like right now. But at the same time, our win percentage is a lot better. We're hitting 60%. We've had 15 consecutive wins, and we've had 8 consecutive losses, I guess. Might as well take a peek. Consecutive profit, 1,000 bucks. Consecutive loss, minus 689. So I would say right now, everything is skewed to the positive. And the one good thing is, also is when there's trend trades, it takes trend trades. When there's reversal trades, it takes reversal trades. So it's reading the market. This is the VTA now incorporating all of its signals to try to get that 2% for you. So I guess that's a pretty good enough review of where we're at so far.